Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's try to look into this example related to straight lines. We have been given that a straight line is parallel to y equal to square root of 3x and passes through a point Q of coordinates 2, 3. If this line cuts the line 2x plus 4y equal to 27 at P, then find the length of PQ. So to understand this problem, first we will try to draw the graph and rough graph and see how that looks like. So let us say that that's my y-axis, doesn't look to be like that. Let's put a straight line there. Okay, like that's okay, fine. So we know this is x positive and this is y positive and this is x positive. We know that the line is y equal to root 3x. Any line parallel y equal to root 3x is a line which is passing through origin. So can I go ahead and draw that? That is the line y equal to root 3x. So this is line y equal to square root of 3 into x. Now any line parallel to that will have the same slope and it will be parallel, right? So that's the line we have. This is the line what we want now, that is y equal to root 3x plus c. Because the slope is same, we don't know what that line is. That line is like y equal to root 3x plus c, a line which is parallel to y equal to root 3x. Now there is another line 2x plus 4y equal to 27, and also this line is passing through 2, 3. So let us say that this point is 2, 3. The line which is parallel to root 3x is passing through 2, 3. Now there is another line that is 2x plus 4y equal to 27. If I put x equal to 0, y equal to 7, and if I put y equal to 0, x equal to 13.5, that means that line will be intersecting somewhere. So let me just draw that line. The line will be like that, and let us take a little bit more slant. The line will be going like that. The line will be exactly going like that, taking that this is somewhere between 6 and 7 and there we are going. Then this point we know is given as Q, that is P actually. We know Q is 2, 3. So this is Q and this is P. We have to find out the length of PQ. This is the problem. So let's recap again. A straight line is parallel to y equal to root of 3x. We know that any line which is of form y equal to mx passes through origin. So there is another line which is parallel to y equal to root 3x and passes through 2, 3, and this particular line is passing through 2, 3, and it cuts other line. That line is 2x plus 4y equal to 27. It cuts that line at point P. We have to find out the length of PQ. So how will we solve this problem? So we can solve this problem in two ways. One, we know that equation is y equal to root 3x plus c. So you can substitute 2, 3. Then you will get the equation of straight line. Let us say this line is L and this is M, and let us say this line is L. Now L equation you can get easily, y equal to root 3x plus c, and it is passing through 2, 3, so you can get the value of c. You know other equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 27. Find out the point of intersection, which is nothing but P. Then distance between 2 points is nothing but PQ. That's a one way of doing it. Now we will not do that way. What we will try to do here is, we'll say that the length PQ is equal to R. We'll say that the length PQ equal to R, and we will try to leverage the symmetric form here. So let me just take this QP out. It looks like this is Q and this is P. We also know that this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Why it is 60 degrees? Because slope is root 3. If m equal to root 3, m equal to root 3, that means tan theta is root 3 or theta equal to 60 degrees. So we know that theta equal to 60 degrees. So what we'll try to do now, we know this particular point. This point is nothing but 2 comma 3. Now using this 60 degrees and taking that this length is equal to r, can I find out the coordinates of P? That's nothing but we want to find out the coordinates of P. We know that P is nothing but equal to P, let us say this point is equal to x1 comma y1. So let's put some values there, say x1 comma y1, that's the coordinates of P. Then we know that x1 is equal to x, that's nothing but h is 2, this point, plus x1 comes only when I add to 2 horizontal distance. Horizontal distance is nothing but r into cos theta, that's equal to 2 plus r cos 60 degrees, that's equal to 2 plus r divided by 2, that is x1. Similarly, what is y1? y1 equal to 3 plus r into sine 60 degrees, that's equal to 3 plus root 3 into r divided by 2. Now we know the coordinates of P, x1, y1, but we also know that P is a common point for the line, or actually point of intersection for the line y equal to whatever the line we have L and N, it is the common point. So that means x1, y1 should lie on x1 comma y1 is a point on 2x plus 4y equal to 27. 2x plus 4y equal to 27. Now let's go ahead and substitute the values x1 comma y1 in this equation. What we will be getting? We'll get 2 into 2 plus r by 2 plus 4 into 3 plus root 3r by 2 is equal to 27. Can I simplify that and say 4 plus r plus 12 plus 2 root 3r equal to 27, or can I say 4 plus 12 is 16, 27 minus 16 is 11 on that side. I can take r common, I can say r into 2 root 3 plus 1 equal to 11, or can I simplify that and say that r equal to 11 divided by 2 root 3 plus 1. You rationalize it, you will get that's equal to 2 root 3 minus 1. If you rationalize it, multiply with 2 root 3 minus 1, 2 root 3 minus 1, you get a square minus b square formula. 11 will cancel. You're left out with 2 root 3 minus 1. Now what's the formula here? The symmetric form. Actually it's a symmetric form, little bit of common sense itself, because we know that horizontal distance I have to add horizontal distance to move from 2 to go to x1. I have to add nothing but r cos 60, that is 2 plus r cos 60. Similarly here it is r sin 60. So we know that 3 plus r sin 60 is y1. This is nothing but the symmetric form. What's the symmetric form? How we can write the symmetric form? Symmetric form is x minus x1 divided by cos theta equal to y minus y1 divided by sin theta is equal to r. X minus x1 by cos theta, or x equal to x1 plus r cos theta, or y equal to y1 plus r sin theta. So the length of PQ is 2 root 3 minus 1. How can you solve this problem? As I said earlier, in another way is, you find out the equation of line L. We know the equation of N. We can find out the point of intersection P. Then you got distance between 2 points formula, so that you can find out the length of PQ. Now let me summarize this. We have been given that a line is parallel to y equal to root 3x, and that line is passing through point 2 comma 3, and also that line is intersected by 2x plus 4y equal to 27 at a particular point P. We have to find out the length of PQ. So what we are interested now is that we want to find out what are the coordinates of P with respect to the line L. We know that Q equal to 2 comma 3. We also know that the angle is 60 degrees. We also know that angle is 60 degrees. So we can apply symmetric form and we can find out easily what are the coordinates of x1 comma y1, that is P coordinates, in terms of r, where r is the distance PQ what we have to find out. Now once we know that x1 y1 coordinates in terms of r, we also know that that particular point is point of intersection of line L and N. That means P should be satisfy the equation of line N, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 2x plus 4y equal to 27. Substituting the values, we get r equal to 11 by 2 root 3 plus 1. Just we rationalize it, we get that's equal to 2 root 3 minus 1. So thanks for your time and support. Do let me know your feedback. Bye for now.